What's up, KJ gang? And I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm filming on the same day, but I changed my shirt so it doesn't look like I'm filming on the same day. But I'm doing another makeup look for you guys. This has to do revolve with Halloween. My first Halloween look was the half pumpkin, half glam. If you haven't seen it, go to my channel and watch it, like it, and comment. But today I'm doing a circus clown kind of look, but like you know, a cute, like a cute one, not nothing scary, nothing whatever, just cute. So this video is just gonna be a zoom by, a fast forward with music. I'm not gonna be talking, voiceover, nothing. I'm just gonna do it. You're gonna watch me, and then at the end you will see the finished look. So before you get into this video, hit the like button, comment down below, notification bell, subscribe button, and share this video. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the complete look. I know I was filming myself doing half of the makeup look and then it just stopped and then it just glitched to the finished look. I'm sorry, I had guests that came over that lived upstairs. They came over, they stayed with us for like maybe an hour and a half to talk, so I had to stop filming. So I kept continuing doing my makeup. I stopped filming because they were all in my room. My mom was in the room, my mom's friend was in my room, the kid was in my room, just see the bunny, and they were just chit-chatting. So I didn't want them all in my video, so this is the finished look. I hope you like the clown makeup that I did. I kind of cheaped out for a second because these white strips is supposed to have silver sparkles like under my eye and my nose, but I got lazy and I kind of want to get over and done with this video. So if you like this video and you like this clown look, hit the like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button so you can, you know, enjoy more of my content, and hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every time I post. So yeah, this is the second look for Halloween. First one is the pumpkin. If you haven't seen the pumpkin look, go to my channel and watch it and comment and like it. This is the circus, pretty, you know, sparkly clown look. And the next Halloween look, I don't know when that will be, but there will be another one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the big cut and glitch, but at least I finished the look and you were able to see the look. So that is all. I'm gonna leave now, take this off, go pee because I've been holding it in for like 2 hours. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.